Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Marvel Rivals with Twitch. Linking your game account to Twitch is a simple way to earn fantastic in-game rewards, such as unique skins and sprays. This connection process works seamlessly across all major gaming platforms, including PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X and S. It only takes a few minutes to set up, opening up a world of exclusive content just for you. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Marvel Rivals website. Log in using your preferred gaming platform credentials, whether it's Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. Once logged in, click on your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and select My Account. From there, find the Connections or Link Accounts tab. You'll see Twitch listed. Click Connect and authorize the link in the new window that appears. Once your accounts are linked, you're ready to start earning exclusive Twitch drops. Look for Marvel Rivals streams on Twitch that clearly display a Drops-enabled tag. As you watch, your progress towards various rewards, like new emotes or costumes, will be tracked automatically. You can monitor this progress in your Twitch Drops inventory. Remember to manually claim your rewards from this page once you've met the watch time requirements. If you encounter any issues, first ensure you are logged into the correct Marvel Rivals and Twitch accounts. A common troubleshooting step is to disconnect and then re-establish the link between your accounts, though be aware of a potential 7-day cooldown. For optimal drop progress, always watch only one eligible Marvel Rivals stream at a time. Watching multiple streams simultaneously will not accelerate your reward earnings. Enjoy your exclusive in-game items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.